All right, guys, we back again today. Ah, we had news today at 8:30. Oh, nobody heard that. Um, we had news today again at 8:30. We got PPI, and unemployment claims, and we have Trump speaking again at 1. This news happened an hour ago, so we should be straight because post news is over like an hour after. Um, and plus, we don't really take our trades until like 9:45 ish, so we're Gucci. But I got on a marked out London and Asia highs. London just barely swept this Asia high, just barely. Um, but pre-market, we got a break of structure, like huge bearish. What you call it? We got to sweep some liquidity, but before we even get into that, let's go mark out our key levels. So on the hourly, we have this low. We have this. Well, I'm gonna mark that as a 4 hour high. We have this high that we could possibly target if we're bullish today. We have another low right here. Yeah, this would be where someone will put their you gotta see where would somebody put their stop loss at. Most definitely right here. Not, but that's already. So okay, we got two. We got just this one and this one. Um, this low right here, and this low right here. All right, so we got these lows. So come around, bang, bang. Get this 4 hour high. Actually, let's just mark out this one. We got this 4 hour high. We got this 4 hour low. Well, this 4 hour high right there. All right, bang. So now let's get our daily bias. We are red, so that's good. We swept all time highs. I think we're gonna keep going. Um, we're red, right? We're coming back down. We don't have a so I think daily bias is going to be short because we don't have enough. I don't think we have enough retracement power to get back up to all times. I think we're gonna come all the way down to probably where this purple line is, or we're probably gonna sweep this liquidity down here, right here. Let's see, just to show you guys, I'm talking about like sweep this liquidity right here on this white line, and then rally back up. But like, there's no liquidity up here. There's no liquidity really attracting this except for this high right here, this 4 hour high we have marked out. So I don't know. I think we might be bearish today, but we might have, I think like my daily bias is short because 30-minute short, 4 hour is red, but that's because of that news candle. We really aren't going to know. We really aren't going to know like how market is moving for real until like, I want to say the 10 o'clock candle, probably, because that's when like everything is going to be like, everything that news did is probably going to be like fully gone, if that makes sense. But that news candle created the big drop. So on the 4 hour, we're red. On the 1 hour, we're green. So we're getting a lower time frame retracement. We're bullish on the 1 hour. That means we're green on the 30-minute. We're getting a leg up on the 30-minute. Yeah, we're getting a leg up. 15-minute, same thing, leg up. I don't want to enter just yet. I mean, it did interact with price, so let's go down to the 5 minute. So, bam, closed above this high, boom, breaker structure, leg up. So now we gotta, if we're gonna take longs, I don't know. I think we're gonna keep going back down. I want to wait for it to interact with London and Asia highs. Don't mind this 20 contracts. I was just trying to, I was last night, bro. I was trying to figure out like how that micro shit works. I do not know like how many contracts I should put in on micro, but that's besides the point. We'll talk about that later. Let's focus on this shit. So I want to wait for it to sweep London and Asia high because that's like if I were to just press the buy button right now, like come on, that's not shit. So yeah, so we're just gonna wait for it to sweep. But we have a breaker structure. We have an order block right here. So we have two confluences, and we just created a fair value gap. I'll make the fair value gap a different color. Remember, I used to have purple boxes. But yeah, so we have this order block. Oh wait, no, wrong one. So we have this order block, which looks like price may have already tapped into, and then we have this fair value gap on the 5 minute. We have a 5 minute fair value gap. We have a 5 minute brick structure. Um, yeah, come down into the 1 minute. Same thing. 1 minute breaker structure, fair value gap, order block. It's not, what I'm saying, it's not Chinese or anything. Pretty simple. 5 minute, 5 minute breaker structure on 15 minute. All of this is screaming bullish. All of this is screaming buy, like buy, buy, buy. Um, yeah, shit. This might be the retracement we needed, honestly. Yeah, I think. Shit, my bias was wrong, probably. Mm, because I mean, the day in the 4 hour are red. I think that news candle just like it's just manipulation, honestly. Huge candle, by the way. Like 15 though. So we got a break structure. I want to see price come back into this fair value gap or into this order block. I really thought shorts would be the move. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Man, what are we gonna do? I want to wait for it to it. I mean, because pre-market, we already swept London and Asia lows. So now this did hit our key levels, and now we're waiting for a reaction. Right, we're watching it react because key level got swept at 829. Right, so now we're waiting on the reaction of it. So reaction, we got a break of structure, we got a fair value gap, and we got an order block. I want to see it come down into this order block, or I want to see it retrace down. So, okay, say I do go for long, my position will be better if this retraced down into this fair value gap, and I entered, like, say I entered here. This is better than this. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is just a better. This is a better entry point. But honestly, because this got swept out pre-market by a news candle, I don't really want to trust that. Like, I'm just gonna wait for London and Asia high to get swept because they're at the same price basically. Yeah, they're at the same price, literally. London high is just literally 75 cent more. um I want to wait for that high to get swept. We're gonna look for the reaction after that, whether it's going to continue going up. If it's going to continue going up and we get a break of structure, say we get a break of structure, so we get a retracement down, get a break of structure somewhere along around here, we could enter, and then we could target only these three lines. So probably just gonna enter and say take profits up here. um, yeah, bro. 1 day. They're gonna keep checking higher time frames, see what they're doing. The 4 hours still red. This 1 hour. This candle is. I think this next candle is gonna be the candle that like gives us some like juice, honestly. Because if we get a break of structure on the 1 hour, if we get a break of structure on the 1 hour, we're most definitely hitting the buy button, like without a doubt. Because that shit, like that should be like the biggest confluence of all time, like the hours. Um. So yeah, which is a sweep of London and Asia high. So I want to see that on the 30 minutes. Well, we got 15 minutes. This candle runs out in a couple of seconds. Yeah, same on the 15 minute. 5 minute and the 1 minute are like, this was the lowest high. No, this is the highest high. New high. Mm, I don't even use the 3 and the 2 minute. I just use the one. Kind of crazy. I feel like those are such odd numbers. Like the 3 and a 2 1 minute. But this price action is ass. Trash. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna play a Clash game. Waiting on London and Asia high. This news at 10? Nah, it's only news at 1. The fuck? It's news at 10 on Friday. Dang. Pretty big news week. Oh my goodness. Dang, bro. This price action this fucking. That's the thing, bro. This candle isn't even like. I mean, this candle's huge, but it didn't really take out. Well, it did take out London and Asia high, but like outside of that, like, wasn't really no other liquidity that was like taken out. It's not like it was like just followed by more downtrend, more downtrend, more downtrend. Like it's just boop, and then oh, now we're gonna rally back up. But this might have been the entry right here. So say, hold on, say it came down, get a breaker structure on this candle, right? Everybody grab was created, filled a little bit, probably came down into this order block. Eh, let's see. Let's check equilibrium. Let's go from these lows. This one. Yeah, equilibrium would be in that order block. I mean, would be in that fair value gap. So we just gotta wait. That's really it. So just want to see it touch this, touch it, touch it. Because if we get a higher time frame breaker structure to the upside, that means shit, we golden, boy. All right, let's see. Let's go back to the 1 hour. How much time does this have left? This has 9 minutes left. Computer's going dead. Where's my charger? Shit, I'll put the charger at. It's right here. 9 minutes left. So we got 9 minutes left. Hopefully that hits. Yeah. All right. We're getting closer and closer to it. I'm just watching on the 15 minute. I like watching the higher time frame because it's just less stressful than going from here. You like look at how peaceful this is just going up. Now, I mean, this is just going up, but like you see a red candle, you see all these red. You're like, oh no. You know what I'm saying? I just like watching it just go up on the 15 minute. No, we're gonna hit it for sure. Right there. Now, let's just wait for the sweep of it. Just a little tiny retracement on the one. Let me go to the five. Oh shit. That's big. Yo, yo, what the hell? Yo, that is not a tiny retracement at all, bro. I spoke way too soon. Let me see, like, what could have possibly caused this retracement? Oh, this. Guess this was a fair value yet. This could be a good entry, but like, it's. I'm not even sure if we're gonna keep going up. That's what I'm saying. I wanted to see it hit this key level, and then it didn't close below this low though, so it's not a break of structure. Well, it's just a 1 minute break of structure, so it's not really that important. Feel me? Yeah. But if it's a higher time frame break of structure, but a 1 minute break of structure, let's see what that's looking like on the five actually though. If we get a 5 minute break of structure down here now we could be talking something. You know what I'm saying? We get a 5 minute break of structure, now we might be talking some business. But I highly doubt we're gonna get a 5 minute break of structure. Like only way like I see that happening is if okay, say we go up, we sweep London lows, sweep London, I mean London highs, then we come back down. Um, you know, let's see if we get this 5 minute break of structure to the downside. Created a all right, so we got the higher high, we created a lower high here. We rallied back up. Let's see. Now keep in mind we have this fair value gap here. We have this fair value gap. So this could all be a retracement into that fair value gap. Well, you don't know. I don't think we're gonna get a. I don't think we're gonna get like a downtrend yet, just yet. 1 hour still highly green on the one. The 4 hour's about to turn green again. This 15 minute. 15 minute has this 15 minute fair value gap. I think this next candle is gonna push us in the up in like the direction that market's gonna go because all the news is gonna be out by then because it's gonna be 10 o'clock candle. So at 10 o'clock, we're gonna really see where price wants to go, and we're just gonna have to either have to catch it. We came down here. It's down here. London low. Okay. Let's see. This could be the retracement we needed. Let's see. Let's see if this is equilibrium. Yeah, so we're in equilibrium right now. So now we're in equilibrium. If I could get a close above this high, I would not mind entering buy because we're in equilibrium. Right. These lows to this high. This candle, if this candle could close above this, mm, still in equilibrium. All right, guys. You guys missed it, but we got the breaker structure. Um, oh, and I entered take profit to London high. We were in equilibrium, but it like moved. It moved pretty. I was trying to. So the first recording ended. The first recording had ended, and I was trying to, start the second one, and then I was like, "Oh shit, we just got a broken structure. Let me go back." shit. Mm. Order. All right. We got one more trade. I got one more trade in me for the day. So because that I don't know, like I don't know where I went wrong with that one. We got the breaker structure to the upside. Stop loss wasn't far enough, I guess. Trend could be changing. We got a lower high. Let's check 5 minute. This PA is just this is crazy, bro. Because like, what the fuck is this shit doing, dude? Like, what is the price action? Okay, we get a breaker structure right here. Boom, we're going up. All right, all right. We have this order block right here. That makes sense for a retracement to come back in, like to retrace back into here. But the shit barely touches it, dude. And we're in equilibrium. Breaker structure, equilibrium. Only thing we're missing is a fair value gap. But we do have this fair value gap right here. But nothing touched that fair value gap either. So I was like, what the hell is going on? Just gotta be patient again. Wait for another entry. That's really it. We're going long again. It's just we're gonna be right or we're gonna be wrong. We're in this order block. Like that. Just throw me off. Bro, it's like it's green, then it's red, then it's green, then it's red. It's like, where is it going, bro? All right, cool. Break a structure right here. We're still in this order block. If it comes back into this order block, I'm gonna enter. When it comes back into this order block, I'm gonna enter. Wait for the candle closure.
Order filled.
Right. This should have been the trade we waited on, but sometimes my impatience gets the best of me, as you guys may know.
Order filled.
Well, I was wrong today. It is what it is. Well, bro. Yeah, I was wrong today.